I'm inside Tuckers Nob plantation area. This is in compartment 10. John, would you just get a little close to that tree so we can see the size? This is a remnant at site 4, about 5 to 10 metres from the drop pin. So this is the first example of surviving remnant native forest habitat trees inside the plantation area. So I'm in site 5. I'm about 20 metres from the actual site 5 pin drop, but I'm here because I'm really excited. This is my first ringwood. A really lovely tree identified by John. He reckons it's over 100 years old. 200, and we can hear the happy kookaburras rejoicing with us. So I'm still on the edge of site 5, and this is actually ultimately what forestry is coming for. Here's a nice stand of blue gums, native forest blue gums. This is what they're after.